Here at ReadyLIFT, we struggle with that age-old question, does size matter? And the answer is, we don't know. So we decided to make something for everybody. We have a leveling kit, we have SST kits, and we have our big lift kits. Now in the case of the new body 19 GM trucks in the half tons, we have a leveling kit, a 4-inch SST kit, a new 6-inch kit, and that kit gets you a perfect 6 inches of lift, courtesy of a top strut spacer, front and rear cross members, and blocks in the rear. Now what you see here is our 8-inch kit. The 8-inch kit has a little more engineering to get that extra 2 inches. So we include a bottom strut extension, a preload spacer, as well as upper control arms that feature our TCT bushings and heavy-duty ball joints. Now with both kits, the 6 and 8, you're going to get our new cast knuckles. These knuckles are designed to provide minimal track width increase and offer a smooth ride similar to factory turning radiuses. Now, what you're seeing here is our 8-inch kit. And we got the coveted 37-inch tire on a GM half-ton with minimal trimming, even on this wheel, which was a 22 by 10 -18. The tires are 37 1250. In the rear, in both the 6 and the 8, we'll have a fabricated block with a bump stop tang. With the 8-inch, we'll have the addition of an add-a leaf to get you that extra height. So on this 8-inch kit, like I mentioned before, we have a 22 by 10 -18 with a 37-inch tire that's 12.5 inches wide. To avoid any kind of rubbing issues, we did remove the bottom spoiler, the factory OE spoiler, to create more clearance in the front, and did some minor felt trimming inside that wheel well, and we did some trimming in the bottom back here on the inside of the rear wheel well. Now, depending on what offset you use, what tire size you ultimately go with, this trimming may or may not be necessary, but if you want to get that aggressive look, be prepared to snip a little. To learn more about these parts, please visit ReadyLIFT.com, and as always, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.